बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग है, मैं वर्ड्स में बता नहीं सकता। मैं खुद वो चीज़ फील नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, बट मैं जब भी किसी इंडियन किसी टीममेट से मिल रहा हूँ और जो उनके चेहरे पे उनके इमोशंस में देख रहा हूँ, तब मुझे वो फील आ रही है बार बार। आई एम गेटिंग दैट गूज बम्स की आई हैव डन समथिंग वेरी ह्यूज फॉर द कंट्री।
फाइनल के लिए जब उतरे थे आप, तो क्या फीलिंग थी और क्या लग रहा था? क्योंकि कभी कभी ना सिल्वर और गोल्ड में ये एक फर्क हो जाता है कि वो आपको इंडिया का रैंकिंग को मेडल टैली को ऊपर पहुंचा देता है। तो इस फीलिंग को आप कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेंगे?
व्हेन आई केम टू द टूर्नामेंट, मेरे को एक्सपेक्टेड था कि मैं इंग्लैंड प्लेयर के साथ में फाइनल खेलूंगा, बिकॉज मैं फर्स्ट सीट था, वो सेकंड सीट था। एंड हम पूरे साल काफ़ी कंसिस्टेंटली परफॉर्म करके आए हैं दोनों, काफ़ी जगह हमने अच्छे मैचेस फाइनल्स खेले हैं। तो आई वॉज न्यू दैट आई हैव टू प्ले हिम इन द फाइनल, बट मैं एक एक मैच प्रिपेयर करके खेल रहा था। और जब फाइनल की बारी आई तो आई न्यू कि मेरे से ज़्यादा प्रेशर उस पर है, बिकॉज आफ्टर प्रमोद भैया मिसिंग आउट द पैरालंपिक्स, ही वॉज द हॉट फेवरेट टू विन द गोल्ड, बिकॉज ही हैज सिल्वर इन टोक्यो एंड देन ही वॉज कंसिस्टेंटली विनिंग अगेंस्ट एवरीवन। मैं कभी उससे जीता नहीं था पिछले पूरे सर्किट में, सो ही वॉज द हॉट फेवरेट टू विन। एंड देन सो आई न्यू कि उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा प्रेशर है, दैट ही हैव टू live up to the expectations and everything. So I knew that I just have to stay calm, or then it will come my way. And that's what happened right from the start of the game. मेरे को feel हो रहा था कि he's nervous, he's being going impatient. तो मैं बस उसी चीज़ का फ़ायदा उठाया। बीच बीच में I slipped away in between, but yeah, it feels good कि finally it ended our way, and then India got the much deserving and much retainable gold medal. And I'm very happy that SL3 has retained their Paralympic gold medal.
आप वो लम्हा डिस्क्राइब करिए अपने शब्दों में, जब आप खड़े हुए पोडियम पे, फ्लैग सबसे ऊपर था और नेशनल एंथम बजा।
मैं I've lived this feeling before during the Asian Para Games, but Paralympic was very different, very huge. I didn't get tears in my eyes, but I had the goosebumps and current in whole of my body. और मैं उस टाइम पे कुछ फील नहीं कर पा रहा था. I felt numb, and it was just I got a flashback of all my journey from Tokyo till Paris, how it's been, how tiring the tournaments have been, how tiring the schedule has been, and what all things I have sacrificed for this. And then at the end, everything felt worth, and I kind of had a flashback of my parents' image in my mind, where because just before the medal ceremony मैंने उनसे बात की थी, and then they had tears in their eyes. So वो it was a flashback of everything in a very small moment.
और अभी मेडल जीतने के बाद देश को क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे देशवासी?
मैं सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि मैं आई एम नॉट एबल टू ओपन माई सोशल मीडिया बिकॉज इट्स बीन फ्लडेड विथ विशेस एंड ब्लेसिंग्स, बट मैं सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने बड़ों ने आशीर्वाद और बच्चों छोटों ने अपना सपोर्ट रखा, अपना स्नेह रखा मेरे लिए, और मैं सबके एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे खरा उतरा और इंडिया के लिए एक गोल्ड मेडल जीत पाया।
ये आपको और हंग्रियर बनाता है फ्यूचर के लिए?
मैं अभी उस बारे में सोच नहीं रहा हूँ, बिकॉज मैं पैरालंपिक्स तक का आई हैड माई स्मॉल गोल्स, एंड एट द एंड द अल्टीमेट गोल। सो वो जीतने के अचीव करने के बाद में नाउ आई जस्ट वांट टू गो बैक एंड एंजॉय बिफोर सेटिंग अनदर गोल फॉर मी.
First of all, I'm very grateful to be here. It's my first Paralympics, and I'm so happy. And I think it's not like kind of luck or something, because I have put a lot of hard work for this. I think I have gained for what I have done. I'm very happy, and I feel so blessed.
Talking about your performance, your everything, when you came, you were confident that you will make it to the final, and you're disappointed that you missed out on a gold?
After the match, it was quite disappointing, the result was, but I feel like I didn't lose gold. I have won silver medal to our country, so that makes me so proud and happy.
Who would you like to contribute, dedicate this medal to?
This medal, I like to dedicate it to my father first, because he's the one who made me into sports and to choose badminton. And I'll dedicate to my coaches and my trainer Raju sir and Gopi sir, everyone who it's not my I think it's not my victory, it's teamwork. So I will dedicate to all BAI, PCI, SAI. They have helped us a lot to reach this level. So thank everyone.
After winning this medal, what message you would like to give to the country?
I think para sports is like being getting to known by everyone. I think so. So keep supporting us, encourage us. Yeah.
And I'm talking about here, people, you're roaming around in Paris and people are seeing a medalist and they are getting a picture click, selfie click. Does it feel like a celebrity moment for you?
It feels like a dream come true moment because participating in a Paralympic was my dream. So getting a silver medal, it's a very, very big thing. So yeah, it feels like celebrity thing.
I'm very proud, very happy that my hard work, my coach's hard work and my parents' hard work have paid. And I'm not returning home with empty hands. I'm coming back with a medal for our country. And I'm so happy and proud.
So Manisha, before coming here, what was the thinking behind you? Were you excited or you were nervous, goosebumps? What was going on in your mind that time?
I was excited and nervous as well. I had one of the toughest draw. I faced both the top players of world in my group stage, but I made it through. I have just cleared my draws and I was really happy and I gave my best in all the matches I played. And I'm coming back with a bronze. I'm very happy.
So now you are here in Paris after winning the medal, enjoying watching Eiffel Tower. People are asking you for a picture, selfie. How does it feel like a celebrity?
Yeah, I'm feeling quite good and it's new for me in this moment because I'm not that famous before, but now I'm getting recognition. It's a new feeling.
So now what message you would like to give to your country after winning this medal?
So I just want to tell all my fellow people, whoever are pursuing dreams in their sports, please continue with that. Don't give up. Thank you.
And when you were on the podium and Indian flag was going up, how was that feeling?
It was surreal. I was just quite emotional and it was just a whole different feeling I had. Proud, happy, emotional, all kind of feeling I had during that podium moment.